So it's been said that if you want to make millions, you have to help millions. Now I just want to let that sink in just for a second. If you want to make millions, you have to help millions. Now what I know for certain is this: there are many people out there on the planet that have wealth and wealth creation as a goal on their goal list. And I always like to remember what Oprah Winfrey once said. And she said, you got to go out there and make meaningful money. Make meaningful money. The more people you can help at the same time, the more value you exchange in that moment of time. And what I know is that money is nothing other than the exchange of value in a marketplace. Now, I know that people who watch these videos and tune into our website and look at our company are out there on a mission to make a difference in people's lives. In fact, our community is full of heart-centered difference makers that want to actually help people transform their lives for the better. A lot of them are trapped in this one-to-one scenario. And what I mean by that is they're exchanging their services in a one-on-one way. So they might be doing one-on-one coaching, one-on-one healing, one-on-one tarot reading, one-on-one consulting, one-on-one practitioners of all different kinds. And what I know is that if they want to go out there and start to build a greater wealth platform and actually reach more people, they have to start helping more people at the same time. And one of the things I've learned over the years of doing this is that workshops is one of the most effective ways a human being can actually leverage their time and have a greater impact. So the question is this: how many people can you currently help at once? And I want you to really think about that right now. Now, maybe you're in a position right now, you're in a job that you don't really like and you're thinking of transitioning, and perhaps that's one of the reasons why you tune in and watch our videos. Or maybe you have transitioned into a career and you're providing some type of service that changes the world. But I want you to ponder that question: how many people can you help at the same time right now? And what I know is this: things like retreats, workshops, online education, seminars and courses, all these things provide a leveraged ability to help more people at the same time. And if there's anything that you need to know as a result of watching this video, is the more people you help at the same time, the wealthier you're going to become. So one of the things you start to have to look at is, how do you start to leverage out what you're doing? As in, you get your service and you ask yourself, currently I deliver this in a one-to-one way. What do I need to do to be able to deliver this to 2 people at once, or 3 people at once, or 4 people at once? You know, I meet a lot of people who say, Ben, I've got this specific service and the maximum people I could ever take through it at the same time is 12 people. Well, that means we're now limited to 12 people with that scenario. What I know is that most services out there that are provided can be tweaked in a little bit of a few steps here and there, and you can start to explode the amount of people you can serve at the same time. So one of the things that I recommend that you do is start to look at what you do, how you serve people, how you help people, and start to ponder the question: how can I start to help more people at the same time? And if you do that, you'll be surprised that as you create more value in the marketplace, as you start to help more people at the same time, lo and behold, your wealth will increase. Now, we have a workshop coming up. We're actually going to show you exactly how to present effectively, how to actually help more people at the same time, and how to take virtually any product or service on planet Earth and show you exactly how to leverage it out so you can actually have more people engaging with that value at the same time. So if you'd like to find out more about that, please pop your details in below. But again, ask yourself this question: how can I serve more people at the same time? And until we meet again, share your light, live your love, and do whatever it takes to be your own best friend. Bye for now.